Hi, this is Dr. Abdul, Physiotherapist. Welcome to my channel. Human anatomy, articular cartilage. What is articular cartilage? Let's talk about this in this video. Articular cartilage is specifically the smooth white tissue covering the ends of bones where they come together to form a joint. Healthy articular cartilage allows joints to move and glide over each other with very little friction, but is subject to damage and injury as well as normal wear and tear process as age advances. Layers of articular cartilage. First one, calcified zone, tight mark, deep zone or basal layer, intermediate zone or transitional zone, superficial layer or tangential zone. Let's see what are they one by one. Calcified zone. The zone lies directly on the subchondral bone and contains small cells in chondroid matrix that has epithetic salt scattered through it. Let's see what is tight mark. Tight mark is starting from the subchondral bone. There is a tight mark that is deep to the basal layer and separates the true articular cartilage from deep cartilage, which is remnant of cartilage analogous from longitudinal growth during childhood. Let's see what is deep zone or the basal layer. This zone is found next to the tight mark, which consists of type 2 collagen that is perpendicular to the joint and crosses the tight mark. This basal layer also contains the highest concentration of proteoglycans, and round chondrocytes in this layer are arranged in columns. Let's see what is intermediate zone or transitional zone. This zone is adjacent to the basal layer with an oblique or random organization of type 2 collagen, and this zone is the thickest layer of round chondrocytes with abundant proteoglycans content. Let's see what is superficial or tangential zone. This zone is the most superficial zone and has type 2 collagen. This is that is oriented in parallel to the joint. Instead of round chondrocytes, the superficial layer contains flattened chondrocytes. In addition to the condensed collagen fibers and spared proteoglycans, this zone is also the only zone where articular cartilage progenitor cells have been identified. Thanks for watching. Follow me at YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and for any business related inquiry, contact me at dr.abdul.pt@gmail.com.